Here's a story that is all new at 5:30, and it has a lot of you talking. Our Megan Rivers is here to verify what's true about a viral Instagram video that has a lot of people worried. And let's talk about why, Meg.
Yeah, so this video was posted all over social media, and it warns if you get paid for your work through third-party apps like Venmo or the IRS, they will now be watching and taxing you.
This viral video on Instagram has 441,000 views and has been liked more than 8,500 times. It claims starting in January 2022, if you receive more than $600 per year through third-party apps like Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle, you will be taxed.
So if you are a small business owner or a gig worker and you receive money through these apps, you want to start getting your paperwork straight now because you will be taxed on that.
So let's verify. Will business owners receiving more than $600 a year through these apps need to start paying taxes next year? Here are our sources. Darius Hinton, a CPA licensed in D.C., the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, and this proposal from the Treasury Department to improve tax compliance. First, let's look at small businesses.
And as a small business owner, it is true. This has already been happening if you're a small business owner. Typically with third-party apps, you sign up for what's called a merchant account anyway. And so if you were bringing in more than $600 aggregate or in total, you were already getting what was called a 1099-K.
Hinton says the big difference for small business owners is the dollar amount. The American Rescue Plan Act lowers it from $20,000 to $600 starting next year. Small business owners like Tura Lloyd Jackson, the owner of Recrowned, would be directly impacted.
As a small business owner, I'm already completing the 1099-K tax form. And sometimes people will tip me through Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, all these different third-party apps. And it's very disheartening that the gifts that I receive as being a small business owner will now be taxed.
Jackson started her business in 2020. Since then, she sold a few $1,000s in merchandise, and third-party apps are how she allows her customers to pay and reminds fellow business owners to make sure they have business banking accounts.
I want to make sure that my personal accounts are separate from my business accounts so that when I put in how much I'm making and how much I'm getting income from that business, I'm reporting appropriately to the IRS.
Hinton says if you receive tips or any other related business expense through certain apps, it's a quick fix to change them from personal to merchant accounts.
Within the app, you can actually convert your account to a business account.
So we can verify, yes, business owners earning $600 a year with those apps will need to start paying taxes.
So what about people like you and me who use the apps to split checks and bills? Like I can think about one day we went to brunch and one person put it on the credit card and we all transferred her that money. So Hinton says that there's a proposal on the table that, if passed, would require a 1099-K form for individual users on these apps. But if you can prove that money wasn't earnings like business income, you won't be taxed.
Okay, Megan, we're all sitting here going, we've all used this with small businesses, and whoa, we need to make sure that they are aware of this. So,
yeah.
Very
I
good to know.
instantly thought of my stylist. We were just talking about that, my
Yes.
nail tech. That's how I pay her. So this is going to be really important for small business owners.
Yeah, they need to know.